Hello mga loves! For today's video, magluluto tayo ng fried pompano. Instead na steam yung ating gawin, frinied natin siya kasi medyo maraming proseso kapag mag-i-steam pa ako, medyo gahol tayo sa oras. So habang pinifried natin yung ating pompano, sinamahan natin siya ng few slices of ginger, and the purpose of that is to eliminate the fishy odor of our fish. Yan, very simple lang naman itong recipe na ito. And after we fried, nagawa tayo ng mixture or yung sauce niya with a 2 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and a dash of ground black pepper. And we put a little bit of garnishing, a white onion. We slices it into rings at inilagay natin siya on top of our fried fish. Saka natin ilalagay yung ating sauce. So, ganyan lang natin siya kakainin. And I know, mas expert kayo pagdating sa mga pagluluto. So, pagpasensyahan nyo na yung aking presentation. At ari naman ay lutong bahay laang naman. Kaya kami lang kakain. Maraming salamat sa panonood.